Today, I'm going to be unboxing this massive box. What's inside? I'll tell you. It's an Ibanez PC54E Grand Concert Acoustic Electric Guitar. The top, back, and sides of this guitar are made from a wood I had never heard of, Meranti. The neck is also made from a wood I have never heard of, called Nyatoh. Nyatoh. And the fretboard is made from Nandu. I have never heard of any of these three species of woods. I used to dabble in woodworking and I've never heard of these, but this guitar has been getting incredibly good reviews. It was purchased from Guitar Center by my good friend Tom, who gave this guitar to me as a donation to the experimentation in music, since I plan to mount a MIDI drum pad to the top of this, but that'll be for another video. Today, we're just gonna unbox this baby and see what it's all about. Let's jump into it. Abracadabra. Well, there you have it. A box inside a box. Abracadabra again. Getting closer. Looks like we've got Allen key, another saddle, and a pin. Let's jump into the rest of it. I love this finish. Feels great. The details are wonderful on this guitar. I will say I've never seen this wood before. This is Meranti. Top, back, and the sides are all Meranti. Nyatoh neck, Nandu wood fretboard. Now it comes with the Ibanez AEQ 2T preamp with the onboard tuner and 2-band EQ. And it's also using that same Nandu wood for the bridge. Supposedly this is to enhance the vibration, according to Ibanez. I'm excited to hear what this thing sounds like. It feels definitely substantial. It's got a bit of weight to it, but not overly heavy. Let's get it tuned up and plugged in and see what it sounds like. I'm running through my Helix pedal and my Looper X pedal. All I have on for effects is a little EQ and compression. I'll also add a little reverb and Cubase. Let's get it. I'll say right out of the box, I'm very impressed with this guitar. It sounds great. It tuned up very easily. It stayed in tune. The action and the way the thing comes set up is really nice. I didn't have to do anything to this guitar to get it to sound or play well. I just tuned it up and played it, plugged it in. Right now, again, I'm just running directly straight in. There's a little EQ, compression, and reverb. That's all you need. Again, I'm using the Sheeran Looper X pedal. I plan to do some more videos where I'll dive deeper into my setup. There's no buzzing. The electronics sound great. Let's do a quick loop with it and see, let's see how it sounds on the fly. Have it. I think it sounds great. If you're interested in wacky music projects, I plan to mount a MIDI drum pad to the surface of this guitar in one of my next upcoming videos. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around, hit subscribe, hit like. Thank you for being here. Peace.